Ginger O'Neill. I'm your ELA and Social Studies teacher for Morgan Virtual. Coach Cooper and I just want to tell you a couple things to help your semester go smoothly. My office hours are Monday from 3:30 to 4:30, and then Tuesday and Thursday from 3:30 to 5:30.
And like Ms. O'Neill said, I'm Mr. Cooper. My office hours are Monday and Wednesday from 5 to 7:30 p.m. So if you need us during those times, those are the times when we will be able to respond. So it doesn't mean that you can't email us at other times, but those are the times we have set aside to work with you and respond to your needs. The best way to get in touch with us would be by emailing directly through GradPoint. So if you're looking in GradPoint, there's an envelope on the top left of the screen, as well as a paper airplane icon on the top. You can use that to contact us, and if you fill that out, then it goes to a lot more people than just us, and your needs will be met a little bit quicker. So if you have an assignment that you need some help with, or you want something reset or another attempt, then that would be the best way to get a quick response. It will go to more than us, and you'll be able to get back and keep on track with your work a little bit better.
Yes, and that's a good point. We're going to make sure that you know how important it is that you stay on top of your assignments, okay? Just because you might have a busy day one day, that doesn't mean that you can put everything off. That to-do list there is on the side to help you and to keep you on track. And some of you know, if you get behind on your assignments like you did in first semester, it's very frustrating and difficult to keep up. So you want to make sure that you get your work done every single day. The luxury that you have with being virtual, that you also can access your stuff from home on Saturdays and Sundays. So if you need to do that, that's okay, but just make sure that that's not common practice. If you are playing video games, watching YouTube, or just completely kind of zoning out and not doing any of your academics, that's not really using your time wisely. So you want to make sure that you use that to-do list because it's helping you break things down so it's not a massive chunk of stuff to work on at one time. And then also that course home folder that's on the left when you get into a certain content area, it has the syllabus. It tells you how to turn in assignments correctly. So if you're turning in a writing prompt or a lab for Coach Cooper, and we don't have access to that, then we're not going to be able to grade it. So you want to make sure you use that course home folder and follow the directions there so we don't have to kind of go back and forth with, I don't have access, can you share it again, all that kind of stuff. It just delays us being able to grade it and put your grade in to reflect all of your hard work, okay? And then also make sure that you are constantly emailing us if you need help. You can't just say, I need help. We need to know what it is that you're struggling with. The course, the content, whatever questions, your questions need to be specific so that we can give you direct information and help you quickly, okay? This is a very unique time that we're all learning how to do these different things. So we're learning just as much as you are, but we noticed this during first semester and we wanted to kind of share with you what we thought just so we can make our second semester go more smoothly.
That's great.
Okay, all right, you guys have a great day and email us if you need to.